not too sure what this sign means, but I guess no pooping and no eating. Hello and welcome. Today we are going to hike Big Buddha. Anyways, Big Buddha is a giant Buddha. The hard part is the hike, because I've read blogs where they're like, okay, follow the bike sign, but don't do the first bike sign. It has to be the bike sign with a mosaic on it. Like, welcome to Stanley's Food Review. 今日我哋食咖喱魚蛋，呢啲係it's like a fish ball, and then they just like boil it in curry sauce, and then you can get it spicy or not.
The train to Tongchong will arrive in 2 minutes.
Alright, so just got off MTR. As you can see, there's the Nongping Sky Thing cable car that you can take up. But we're gonna be hiking this because we're better than that. Look, it's a fire station, and I'm walking around this weird curve now. I was following this hiker group, but I got distracted taking pictures of TVB looking places. Getting to be less and less people out here, so I think that's a good sign. According to the blog, there's not too many people that do this hike. Here's the next landmark. I think the trail we want is the Tung O Ancient Trail. It now turns into this tunnel bridge thingy, and then there's this random turn down, which goes into like, there's no real sign for it, but you'll see a waterway here. So after some indoor parts, you'll reach this green railing section, which looks like it's just built on top of like marshland. And then you'll see this building peer in and out for a while. Alright, good thing I rechecked Google Maps. Apparently I'm walking along the bay and not actually climbing upwards. I was wondering when the incline would start. I think that fork in the road, I may have taken the wrong one. Alright everyone, so if you don't want to miss the turn, after you see the one house, there's this tiny off path here that's in the bushes, so I walk straight past it. As long as you pay attention to your GPS, you should be fine. Now I know for sure this is right. It's just steps. Let's go. I like to think I'm somewhat fit, but these stairs are putting me out of breath. Alright, so I'm only this far into the hike, and about 4 kilometers to go. I'll reach this gated point here. Not gated, there's a railing here so you can lean on. It's nice. In the background you see the the air train. What do they call it? Whatever, the Disneyland-esque thing that you just kind of like sit in and it brings you up. Stairs as far as the eye can see. I made it to the next checkpoint. Oh, look at these. There's also these fire beating sticks. So if there's a forest fire, you essentially put it out by beating it with these wax. It's kind of like the Demon Slayer thing. Oh my god, it's a flat part. I can run. I'm so free. Whew! Have these extra hard steps. You can't stick your whole foot or you just hit it. You can literally put your forefoot on. So it's like a super calf workout. Here we have a vertical drop, and I can finally see the end, I think, where the tram stops. So I gave myself false hopes. I thought this giant building here was gonna be the end, but no. It keeps going, and then there's Big Buddha like right there. I think you can see it. So let's keep going. No quitting out here. Well, I mean, I'm at the point where like turning back would be longer anyway, so this is the point of no return. Alright y'all, I can finally see the end. This is good. Gonna get some tea, some water, full meal, go to the fishing island of Tai O and eat again. Yeah, it's gonna be a good day. Oh my god. After a more intense than expected hike, I've arrived. It's been 5 miles. Everyone else looks very clean, and I am very sweaty and grimy. Now that we've seen Big Buddha, we're gonna go to this thing. I can't read Chinese, so I think this is the Boli Monastery, but I could be totally wrong. Unfortunately, I don't think I'll have time to do the fishing village. Welcome to Stanley's snack review of the afternoon. Today we're having Old Town White coffee. This basically just tastes like Vietnamese coffee.